If you're searching for the best AI courses on Coursera for beginners, check the description first because I've linked the current Coursera discount there if it's still available. Now, the biggest mistake beginners make is jumping straight into advanced machine learning or coding-heavy AI programs. The best AI course for you depends on where you're starting. If you're completely new to artificial intelligence, AI for Everyone is one of the best places to begin. It explains what AI is, how it's used in business, and how it's changing industries, all without requiring programming knowledge. If you're interested in using AI tools in your daily work, beginner-friendly, prompt engineering courses are another great option. These focus on getting better results from AI systems and understanding how to work with modern AI tools effectively. For learners who want to build technical skills, the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate can be a strong next step. It introduces Python, data analysis, and machine learning concepts in a structured way that many beginners can follow. And if your goal is eventually becoming an AI engineer or machine learning specialist, starting with beginner AI courses first will make advanced machine learning programs much easier later on. The reason Coursera stands out is that these courses aren't random tutorials. They're organized into learning paths with projects, quizzes, and certificates that help you build skills step by step. So if you're searching for beginner AI courses with certificates, AI for beginners, prompt engineering courses, machine learning for beginners, or the best Coursera AI course, here's the simple recommendation. Start with AI for Everyone if you're brand new to AI. Move to prompt engineering if you want practical AI skills. Then consider IBM Data Science if you're interested in a technical AI or data career. And if you enjoy finding verified coupon codes, software deals, online course discounts, and honest reviews before spending money, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we regularly share here.